Hey guys, Justus here again with another video tutorial. Today I will show you how to play On My Mind by Donavon Frankenreiter. So take a guitar and play along. Oh baby, let's get down tonight. Every time we do, it just feels so right. Let's go sit underneath the willow tree. Oh baby, just you and me. Even though I can't see you all the time, gotta let you know you're on my mind. Even though I can't see you all the time, gotta let you know you're on my mind. On my mind, on my mind again. On my mind, you're on my mind again. On my mind again. And I gotta let you know that I never let you go. You take those clouds and make a sunny day. I love it when you do it just your own way. You take my day into the night. I love it when you do it, it feels so right, oh. Even though I can't see you all the time, gotta let you know you're on my mind. Even though I can't see you all the time, gotta